Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to open your recently closed tab in Google Chrome, which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome app, and then after that what you all have to do is tap at these three dots in the top right corner and tap at recent tabs. In recent tabs, just simply tap at show full history. Here it will show all of those tabs which you have closed recently. From here you can just simply open up that specific tab by tapping on it. Here you can see it has just redirected us to that specific tab. Or you can also go for your history by tapping on these three dots and tap on history. In your history, it will also show all of those tabs which you have closed recently. Just simply tap at a specific tab and it will be just redirect you to that specific tab which you want to open. That's how you can easily open a recently closed tab on Google Chrome. So I will help you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to open a recently closed tab in Google Chrome, then make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So goodbye till next video, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.